Tell them who you are. If you're living in the movement, you wanna praise God. This is how we do it.
So we have a backed up drain. I feel like bring my drill up with me. So let's see if we can clean this drain out. Clearly. And we're going to use the new VEVOR. We'll use the new VEVOR drain snake here. We'll give it a shot and see how well it works. We do not have a clog. Bank, it's the drain. Bank, it's the drain. Because I would have already hit something. I just gotta find the freaking screw. I bet the drain, the leak, I bet it's backed up right there. Because I'm already 6 foot out. See, I got no resistance. So chances are my backup's going to be right here on the drain. Let's see how well she gets down in that little hole. Because you know these are real tight. I bet you I could use a freaking plunger on this. Yeah, I don't see a plunger. That's the only thing. This might be hard to get down the drain this way. It's already wanting to back up right there. Oh, because that center part's in the way. Let's lock it down and see if we can make it go down this hole. Nope. Wow. My bad. Helps you tighten the drill up. This is bullshit. What this is. Freaking hair. Hair right there. I have to wait for it to drain down so I can see what's going on in there. See if I can get you a little closer. Yep. There's like a bunch of hair in there. It's going to be the only drawback to the snake is it won't go down in that hole. You know what I'm saying? Let's run it reverse. See if I can get the snake around there. No, not gonna snake in that hole. So this is a perfectly good job for the drain weasel. Now, I like using my screwdriver for a freaking drain snake, but that's all it is. Just a big old clump of hair right there. Work like a charm, man. Let's put some screws back in here. Okay, so my opinion on it, it's pretty nice, man. It's pretty nice drain snake. The cord real easy, come in and out, no problem. Well balanced on the drum. You know, it's not Lowe's or Home Depot piece of junk. The cord's really nice. I like how the end of the cord is, because it'll go around the P-traps a lot smoother. But overall, man, you know, we didn't have a big hairball, you know, but I got to use it down the drain. You saw how fast it went down the drain. I got about 6 foot out really quick, so I would definitely give it a 10, man. That's a pretty good quality tool. I like that. Keep it around for a minute.
Tell them who you are if you're living in the movement. You wanna praise God.